Well, there you go, guys. You've seen there are just rocks everywhere out here. You saw with the tape measure what size rocks we're pulling out with our Rockaways. Big rocks, little rocks. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a bandana, it's because this isn't my first rodeo, and it's super dusty walking behind the Rockaways shooting the videos. So that's why I'm wearing this. It's not a fashion statement. If you guys want to know more about Rockaway, if you need pricing, you just want to ask us questions, you can find out more information at idealrockaway.com. You can follow us on all of our social media, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. All of our videos are on the website. All of our videos are on YouTube. Check out all that stuff, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.